Want to do your laundry without any effort? Here is a smart, efficient, time-saving, and convenient way of washing your clothes. As displayed on the screen, as you can see, there is a smartphone where you can connect with the washing machine, and it can be automatically scheduled to do your laundry anytime and anywhere, as it can be monitored either on your phone screen or your TV screen at home. Also, it can be set to the extreme of your clothes, whether it is dirty or moderate. It can be scheduled to that to do your laundry, as it has hours to display. Also, it can be observed anywhere far from home. So, with the smart washer, it is suitable for the modern household today, as it is time efficient, eco-friendly, and also it helps save cost and also minimize water usages, where modern household can efficiently, effectively utilize and approach a new way of doing laundry without any effort being wasted.
Hey viewers, want a smart, convenient and efficient laundry solution? Super Enforcer got you. Flexing the smart washing machine produced by Super Enforcer Limited. Welcome everyone. Here is a new, smart and innovative washing machine produced by Super Enforcer Limited. This brand new appliance combined advanced technology with eco-friendly system that modernize the way we do laundry.
Key features of smart washing machine. 1. Energy efficiency. It is designed to be highly energy efficient, reducing electricity consumption and utility costs, as well as optimizing water usage. Two, eco-friendly operation. Super Enforcer Limited has prioritized eco-friendliness in the manufacturing of it. Therefore, it incorporates sustainable materials and employs energy-saving mode to promote a greener lifestyle. Finally, remote controlling and monitoring. Users can conveniently control and monitor the operating washing machine on their smartphones through the machine dedicated application.
of smart washing machine. Cost saving. It reduces the electricity consumption, resulting in cost saving for the users. Secondly, its eco-friendly design contributes to lower utility bills, and it promotes more sustainable and economical lifestyle. Time saving. It eliminates the need for manual intervention, saving valuable time for users. With smart control capabilities, I can schedule to do your laundry, and it also provides a flexibility where you are indoor or outdoor within your environment. Where it can schedule your washing cycle, and it provides a flexibility to the users.
Based on the machine features and benefits produced by Super Enforcer Limited, we would recommend you for buying one, as it is reliable and efficient choice of modern homes. Because of its sleek design, advanced functionality, and eco-friendly operation makes it excellent for users who seek a convenient, cost-effective, and sustainable laundry solution.
All in all, Super washing machine produced by Super Enforcer Limited offers a range of features and benefits to cater for the needs of modern households. Its smart, capable, energy efficiency, and eco-friendly operation makes it valuable at home anytime. We believe that this innovative appliance will revolutionize the way we do laundry, providing convenience, cost-effective, and sustainability.